On January 26, 2025, Amtrak's eastbound southwest chief had AMTK 503 as the trailing unit. This being a rare event, rail fans gathered along the route to capture the moment. 503 is a GE B32-8WH built in 1991.
This is rare. I was going over the bridge. I'm like, wait a minute, is that like a
Yeah, B32. Yeah, it's pretty rare.
They must be short on engines if they're having to use one of those.
Yeah, either that or he's going to go back to Beach Grove and get some.
That too.
I photographed this unit before. I'm just excited to see it on the main line. This is a shot from the 90s.
Yeah.
Great service too.
Copy. Any minute. Amtrak train 4, head in, ready to go. Amtrak 4 departing Albuquerque on a clear, main 1 over. Hey, Roger, here we go.
The Dash 8s, as they are called, were intended to replace Amtrak's aging fleet of F40PHs. 20 Dash 8s were delivered to Amtrak in 1991, numbering 500 through 519. 2 were funded by the California Department of Transportation for use in that state. The locomotives were built by GE Transportation as a modification of their existing freight units. The passenger version has the addition of head-end power for supplying passenger cars, a comfortable cab, and a number of changes to locomotive internals that meet Amtrak's requirements for weight and performance. It's been 5 years since 503 came through New Mexico on the Southwest Chief. There was a bit of icing on the cake with a Surfliner car bringing up the rear. Deadheading, that car will go to Beech Grove, Indiana for maintenance. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.